this is Cool Guy 2000 from the Robot. Welcome back to another Minecraft video. And today we are playing some more Minecraft. Yes, again. So let's get straight into this Lifeboat Survival Games world game. So we're going to go to this place over here, and I think it's a maze, and I don't know why everything's still Halloweeny when it's not even Halloween yet, because it's well past Halloween. So let's go get lost in the maze. So I'm going to go this way. I think this is the way so that you can see someone. So I can see someone over there, so I'm going to go this way. Yeah, I'll go down this way. Hopefully I still remember where I'm going. Okay. Oh, I'm back to the beginning. I didn't get lost after all. Chat was good, so yeah, that was quite an easy thing. So I'm going to type, I'm recording now. Recording. Say hi to YouTube. My is let's do that. There we go. What? I can't. Oh my god. Won the match. Here we go. Right, we're in a tournament. Let's see how long I can survive in this tournament. Yeah, I'm going to see how long I can survive in the tournament. I bet I survive in the tournament for quite long because I'm quite a good hider in Minecraft in 230. Oh, come on, hurry up. Right, my fingertips are getting ready. Right, let's have a look. Let's see if we can do it. Right, let's go that way. We go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Go backwards. Go forwards. Go backwards. Go forwards. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. That way. 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 That is the password for the LBSG, but it's not. It seems to be not working. So to put. Huh? Why is that? Oh, great! Come on. All right, never mind. I guess I'll have to go to my. Oh yeah, I remember this guy. Right, so we're gonna have to finish off our herobrine. Because that's what's the most important thing I'm doing in this video, actually. So I guess that's the important. I should have thought of that. So that's going on quite well. So yeah, no wonder my connection went off because I wasn't on it. So that means I'm gonna get disconnected anyway. So right, let's go like that. Place that block like this. Did you know a cool trick that if you have GTA 5 on mobile, I'm not playing it on mobile, I'm playing on tablet, but you can get GTA 5 in Minecraft Pocket Edition as a map, and you can get it on PC as well, so it's quite cool. But there's just no airplanes in GTA 5 Pocket Edition. So here's my sword. Here's my herobrine sword. So let's go around my herobrine. Looks pretty ugly. Right, it might look better when I hide the guy. The guy. The guy. Right, so I'm going to keep my finger there. Oops. Go back. Go to options. What?
You went, Mum, look, I've got little legs. I was like, you mean your balls? And he was like, no, feel, look, I've got little legs inside of my skin. I was like, yeah, they're your balls.
Okay.
Funny, aren't they?
Right, let's go back. Go like that.
What's he like? Got little legs.
Let's go. Here is herobrine. Looks like a chainsaw. A diamond chainsaw. So he's killing you with a diamond chainsaw. He's got a mod of a chainsaw. Here it is, look, there it is. There it is. Here it is, guys. Coming up to the front. Nearly there. And the options. All the way to the bottom. Don't hide, guy. So, thank you so much for watching this video of me finishing off my giant herobrine. Just a minute. There we go. There we go. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all next time. Please, favorite, subscribe, comment, leave a like, do everything you can to make this the most popular video on the internet, because it really deserves it. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all next time. Just a minute, I'll end the video here. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye.
Just a minute.